friends, my name is Ira Sarda. I joined Akash in 2018 for a 2-year classroom integrated course. All the years spent in Akash helped me in my learning process. I am very thankful to my teachers who always guided me in the right direction. I am extremely happy today for success, and all credit goes to Almighty God, my parents and Akash Institute. I will forever cherish my journey with Akash. Friends, like I have, you too can achieve your goal with Akash. Respected Chairman Sir at Akash motivated and inspired me every now and then through his personal interaction and motivational speeches which are oriented toward cultural values along with providing respects to our parents and elders. This is unique feature at Akash Institute.
सक्सेस एक बड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस है जिसको बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स कंट्रोल करते हैं और बहुत सारे फैक्टर जब मिल जाते हैं तो सक्सेस की स्टोरी शुरू होती है और बनती है.
Electron withdrawing groups attached to the carbon or stronger the electron withdrawing group attached to the carbon.
The faculty at Akash is well qualified and highly experienced. The atmosphere is competitive, which helps us to inculcate a competitive spirit in us. Personalized attention is given in classes, which help us to analyze our performance. Akash provides standardized content and coaching methods, which help us to prepare well for examinations. Best thing about Akash is that it follows a systematic academic delivery model that enhances our conceptual base. Regular tests are conducted which help us to improve our accuracy and speed. The faculty members deliver the courses in an interactive method. The faculty members make constant efforts to reach out us and pay close attention to our needs. The faculty helps us in our day-to-day academic studies. Daily attendances checks are conducted. Regular parent-teacher meetings are conducted. I feel that the environment at Akash is conducive for learning. Akash provides with modern infrastructure. The classrooms are comfortable and properly lit. The library is well stocked. There are iTutor labs. Strict discipline is observed in Akash, which helps us to engage in focused learning. If we miss our lectures due to leave, we can access recorded lectures at a center form of Akash iTutor lab, which assists in answering our queries and catching up on lectures we may have missed. All India Akash Test Series gives us an opportunity to test our knowledge at all India level. The test papers are prepared by experienced Akash faculty and aim at preparing us for the actual entrance examinations and allow us to benchmark our performance against other students. Akash provides high-quality study material. It contains illustrative theory and application-based questions. The contents of the study materials are provided in the form of questions and corresponding answers which simplifies the learning process. The study materials also include significant points and summaries of each topic, pictures and illustrations and question papers from previous board examination which help us to easily understand and memorize the content. Multiple questions are provided in the study materials which help us to face various examinations. The study materials are updated with the latest curriculum. A series of tests and examinations are conducted each fortnight and term which help us to evaluate our preparation and prepare us to well face the various board examinations and other competitive examinations. We are provided with a printed model answer paper after each examination along with the marking scheme which clarifies our doubts on various questions asked in the examination. Mock examinations in a manner similar to various board examinations are conducted in order to offer us a realistic experience. It helps us to boost our confidence to face the board examinations. Our results in the fortnightly tests and term examinations are reviewed and evaluated continuously, which helps us to identify our mistakes and improve them.
Comes now 9 minus 2 upon 3 root 3.
Most of our doubts are clear in the classroom sessions only, but in addition we are provided by doubt clearing sessions so that we can clear our concepts. There is specific arrangement of teachers, subject-wise, which clear our doubts. In addition to NCERT and our text material, we can clear our doubts from other reference books also. I would like to thank my parents and faculties at Akash. I suggest all engineering aspirants to come and experience the success at Akash because it is the best platform to crack all types of engineering entrance exams.